Hey guys, today we're going to be diagnosing this 2006 Toyota Corolla. It has a check engine light and rough idle according to my girlfriend. So first thing we're going to do here is start the car up and see how it sounds. And here you can already hear how rough it sounds. But the first thing we got to do is take the valve cover off. So from what I read online, the rough idle could be caused by a misfire, caused by a bad spark plug, or a bad ignition coil. Logging into my code reader, you can see fault codes, scanning for fault codes, cylinder 1 misfire detected. So cylinder 1 on this 4-cylinder is the cylinder furthest to the left, so we're going to go ahead and take off the coil. Just disconnect the power and then unscrew the bolt, and then it should pop right out. And you can see the spark plug right in there. Okay, so now that we got the problem ignition coil out, we're gonna match it to our new ignition coils and make sure that it's the same size and it's gonna fit. And for this diagnosis, we're only going to be changing this ignition coil to see if it solves the rough idle issue and the check engine light. Just like that. I feel like I can already hear the engine running way smoother. His check engine light is still on. But we're going to check the fault codes after some time running. Alright, so after running it for a little while, see the cylinder 1 misfire still coming up, so you're going to want to clear the faults. Just going to get rid of the codes and then do a rescan. Alright, code's clear. You want to go back, rescan, see if anything pops up. Nothing pops up, then you solve the problem. If something's still popping up, there's probably going to be a bigger issue, something to do with the spark plugs, something to do with fuel, or possibly some sort of compression issue in your cylinders. So you're going to need a little bit of further diagnosis for your misfire. For us, we're looking good. Fault manager 65%, still no faults. Before at 40%, it would already show the misfire on cylinder 1. So it looks like the car is all good. So it was just a faulty ignition coil here. Go ahead and get rid of it. See the new one placed on. What I'm going to do is going to end up putting all new spark plugs, but that's going to come in a different video. So then, thanks for watching.